Types of sensor. Different types of sensor. Classification of sensor. Hi everybody, today I will share about types of sensor. This video you learn following about types of sensor. Sensors are classified based on the nature of quantity they measure. Following are the types of sensors with few examples. 1. Acoustic and sound sensors. A sensor is used to measure sense and environment and converts this information into a digital or analog data signal that can be interpreted by a computer or observer. An acoustic wave sensor is an electronic device that can measure sound levels. For example, microphone, hydrophone. 2. Automotive sensors. Automotive sensor is one of the largest sensor companies in the world, with innovative sensor solutions that help customers transform concepts into smart, connected creations. For example, speedometer, radar gun, speedometer, fuel ratio meter. 3. Chemical sensors. A chemical sensor is a device that transforms chemical information composition, presence of a particular element or ion, concentration, chemical activity, partial pressure into an analytically useful signal. For example, pH sensor, sensors to detect presences of different gases or liquids. 4. Electric and magnetic sensors. Magnetic sensors differ from most other detectors in that they do not directly measure the physical property of interest. For example, galvanometer, Hall sensor measures flux density, metal detector. 5. Environmental sensors. Environmental sensors include barometric pressure sensors as well as integrated environmental sensors. These integrated sensors combine barometric air pressure, humidity, ambient air temperature sensing functions as well as air quality measuring. For example, rain gauge, snow gauge, moisture sensor. 6. Optical sensors. Optical sensors are electronic detectors that convert light, or a change in light, into an electronic signal. They are used in many industrial and consumer applications. For example, photodiode, phototransistor, wavefront sensor. 7. Mechanical sensors. Mechanical sensors are used for positioning and limit switch tasks on machine tools and presses, flexible production centers, robots, assembly and conveying equipment, and in machine and plant construction. For decades, they have proven their worth as the traditional strongman of automation. For example, strain gauge, potential meter measures displacement. 8. Thermal and temperature sensors. The thermal response of a temperature sensor is the speed at which it responds to a sudden change in temperature. Thermal response time is the time taken for the sensor to react to this change in temperature. For example, calorimeter, thermocouple, thermostat, Gordon gauge. 9. Proximity and presences sensors. A proximity or presences sensor is the one which is able to detect the presences of nearby objects without any physical contact. They usually emit electromagnetic radiations and detect the changes in reflected signal if any. For example, Doppler radar, motion detector. Thanks for watching my tutorial videos. More videos please subscribe my channel Learning Engineering.